and oh my god, the experience has been amazing so far. So let's discuss all its features.
The Redmi Note 10 Lite is super advanced when it comes to design aesthetics. It is equipped with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 to withstand tough falls. For high-speed performance, the phone is equipped with 2.3 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G with 8 nm octa-core processor. Coupled with 6 GB RAM and 128 GB storage, the phone wins big on the features front. It has 48 megapixel rear camera setup with 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel super macro and 2 megapixel portrait camera. The rear camera setup comes with amazing features such as night mode, 960 fps slow motion, AI scene recognition and HDR mode. And the 16 megapixel front facing camera ensures gorgeous selfies.
It's high on performance and beauty to look at. This phone is also available in 4 color variants: champagne gold, aurora blue, frost white and glacier white.